Hi children, good morning. My name is Sanapati Kanakarao. I am your drawing teacher. Today I am going to explain how to draw lines. In this lesson, we are going to learn the technique of drawing simple lines. Do you have your pencil and paper ready? As you have to draw along with me.
Now let us see how to draw sleeping lines. These are called horizontal lines too. Let us see how to draw standing lines. These are called vertical lines too. Now let's draw a few right slanting lines. These are called diagonal oblique. Now this time in opposite direction. Let's draw a few left slanting lines. These are called diagonal lines also. Okay, now let's learn how to draw simple dashed lines. Now let's draw a combination of zigzag lines. Those are looks like mountains. Okay, now let's draw a few thick lines. These are looks like a bamboo sticks. Now let's quickly draw a few thin lines. These are looks like a broomsticks. Now let's draw a combination of sleeping and standing lines. These are called castle lines. Now let's draw a few stars like this as shown here. Let's see how to draw a combination of big sleeping lines and small sleeping lines. These are called broken lines too. Let's draw a combination of big standing lines and small standing lines. These are called long and short lines too. Let's draw a combination of cross lines. These are called diamond lines too. Okay, now let's draw a few slanting lines. These are called hatch lines. Let's draw a combination of right and left slanting lines. These are called cross hatching or crisscross lines too. Now let's draw a combination of sleeping and standing lines. These are called step up and step down lines. Let's draw a few sleeping lines alternatively. These are called water dashes. Now let's draw a combination of vertical zigzag lines. Now let's draw the spiral in square. The space provided as shown here. Let's draw the spiral in rectangle. The space provided as shown here. Let's draw spiral in triangle. The space provided as shown here. Now let's draw spiral step by step in square as shown here. Let's draw spiral step by step in rectangle as shown. Now let's draw spiral step by step in triangle as shown here. A small correction. Preview.
Hi children, in this lesson you learn to draw simple lines. Okay, as your homework you have to do the following. Take a drawing paper and draw standing lines and sleeping lines and slanting lines and other lines also on it. Fill the paper completely with it like this and get it checked from your mother. See children, like this you have to practice neatly. Okay, bye.